Here I have SONY Xperia XZ2 and let me show you how to enable the developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to find and select the apps, choose settings, let's scroll down and select the system. Now you have to choose the about phone. Let's scroll down again and tap a couple of times on build number. As you can see, you are now a developer, so you can go back. And right now you can use developer options. So let's tap on developer options. Here, for example, you can enable OEM Unlocking by using this switcher, tab enable. As you can see, you just allow the bootloader to be unlocked. You can also enable USB Debugging, tab OK. And that's it. You can also use other developer settings such as select mock location app, select debug app and other stuff as well. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.